What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel for a allergy-filled video, and it's gotta be like a million degrees out in this garage right now. It's summer. Summer is here in Texas, so things are gonna be a little slower. I'm gonna work a little slower and stay hydrated because it is hot today. But as you see in the title of this video, we've got a set of wheels for the old Honda Fit. If you haven't been keeping up, this is my GD3 Honda Fit. We threw on a set of coilovers, we've got an intake, we've got a little bit of an exhaust, we've got some racing livery stickers now, which is super cool. And we've recently torn apart the transmission to do some replacements. So we've been working on this car, getting it roadworthy, and now it's time for the fun stuff, which includes the suspension work and everything it needs to be a little autocross race car. And while my heart was obviously set on a set of Regamasters, it's just not in the cards for this car. I got this thing for like 3,000 bucks, so trying to keep it somewhat budget. Maybe in the future we'll spring for a nicer set of wheels. Not saying that these ones aren't nice, they're very light. They are a very popular wheel with NA and NB Miatas, so they're track proven and they just look good, I think. They're kind of like an RPF1 of Honda Fits. I see a lot of people run these. I'm not trying to be too different. I just want something nice that works, that's light, that'll be a good wheel. These are bigger, the offset is different, so we need to test fit. But first I'll bring the wheels in and show you guys. Here they are. So these are a set of Kosei, I don't know, however you pronounce that, Kosei K1 Racing. They are a 15x7, so a little bit wider than the OEM wheels. Offset is +30, so these should fit. They might be a little aggressive, but hey, you know, that's fine. I'm all for aggressive. And yeah, sorry for the dirty garage, but we're getting things cleaned up out here. And these wheels are in very good condition. A few of them have very minor curb rash, like right here. They have been chemically stripped, so they are just the bare aluminum. So we will be painting these. I picked up some paints here. We've got silver, because I like the silver. They make these in black and silver, and I liked the silver, so we're gonna stick with it. I think it looks good. I need to order some valve stems, some decals for the spokes, but otherwise, I'm super stoked on these. Next steps for me, also, excuse the headband. It's a billion degrees, so I'm trying not to just sweat all over my hat. We need to get the car up, get a wheel off. I'm gonna do a front wheel and a back wheel. That way we can check both. I don't think we're gonna need to do anything drastic as far as pulling fenders or rolling fenders, though if we do, it is what it is. This is a fine car to do it on. I'm not too worried about it. So yeah, I'm gonna get my jack and we'll just get to that. Okay, stock wheels coming off. I love the way this sounds. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, chimes perfectly. All right, here we go. Nice. Ooh, these are gonna be close, but I think with camber, should be fine. Not hitting anything in the back, which is good. And I will be kind of curious to see how 15 looks. I thought about going with 16s, but I don't know. I've never had small wheels, but they just look kind of good on the Fit. It's like it makes the body look bigger, but it's still a small car. So when you see it in person, it looks intentional rather than you just got wheels because you got wheels. But can Jackson open the child-proof packaging? All good. That looks awesome. We've got room for bigger brakes too. So I think a lot of people run the CRV brakes. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. So plenty of room to do that. These are nice wheels. I really like these. These are the exact ones that I pictured having when I got this car. I saw a lot of the Kosei K1s. I was like, that's a good looking wheel, and I'm pretty stoked to have found some. All right, so I've lowered the car down a little bit. It's just sitting on the wheel. It's a little bit higher than it should be sitting, but we should be able to scoot our jack under here and at least jack up the rim to where we can see a little bit better. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. On the front, it's probably gonna need a pull a little bit, but that's not a huge deal. Otherwise, I'm pretty stoked on that. I think that's gonna fit really well. It's gonna be a little aggressive with the offset. I wish I could have found like a 35 offset, but it's definitely gonna tuck into the fender, that's for sure. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look pretty dang good, I think. I'm stoked on this. All right, I'm gonna throw the old wheel back on and quickly do the rear so we can test fit that, and then yeah, we'll see where this video takes us next. Okay, rear wheel is off, which means it's time. Oh, just listen to that. Oh, beautiful sound. Anyways, back to fitting wheels. Testing the rears now, which are also gonna fit. Rear is definitely a little bit more aggressive. Fitment wise, bet we're gonna have to do a little bit of rolling on this side, which isn't a huge deal, or raise the ride height a little bit, which also isn't a huge deal. It'll be close, but yeah, I think we're definitely gonna have to do a little roll on the rear, but that's okay. I like the way that looks still. It's gonna look so awesome once we're done. Any car you add on like aftermarket wheels to, it just makes it look so much better overall. All right, so I know it was a little bit shorter of a video today, but like I said, it's hot. These wheels need to get painted, and obviously we need tires. I'm gonna look for the specific tire for Sundae Cup series. I think it's the RT660. I'm not sure. I'll have to go double check, but I wanna make sure I get those tires. That way I can run in the correct class whenever that does happen. And for track days, it'll be good to test with that tire, knowing what we need to do afterwards. So car still needs an alignment because the coilovers are on. That video is coming this upcoming weekend. Because this video is going out on Wednesday. Normally I'll post like my shorter videos on Wednesdays, so this video is gonna go out this Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, and then stay tuned for this weekend to see the coilover install, and the car is just totally different. It's awesome. It's been great. I've been driving it to work. It's been a blast to drive. Slow, but fun. Makes funny noises, tires squeal everywhere. It's fun in its own way. But stay tuned for more content, guys. I am going to be working on a Miata video soon, so stay tuned for that. We've also always got videos coming for the Fit as we build this thing up into a little track machine. And if you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.